Can I connect 3 wires to the BC terminal on my furnace?
Hi, my name is IM number 39. I'm here to help you out. What are the wires you are connecting going to?
Hi, Jason. I'm installing a new thermostat that requires a C wire, but the old one did not. I have an extra wire to use as the C, but there is a single BC terminal on the furnace and it already has 2 B wires connected. Is there a safe way to attach the 3rd wire?
Okay, yes, you can attach multiple wires to the C terminal without a problem. You can attach the needed wire to C for the new thermostat.
So then, I guess my issue is I can't get all 3 to stay under the screw. Can I use a wire nut to connect to and then connect that to the furnace?
Sure, you can just make A and quad, pigtail and quad, and connect the wires together with a wire nut. Just make sure the power is turned off to avoid shorting out the control circuit while doing the wiring.
Okay, perfect. Thanks, Jason.
Absolutely, anytime. If you need anything else, please let me know. Thanks for letting me assist you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.